हृदयकुहरमध्ये केवलब्रह्ममात्रम् अहमहमिति साक्षादात्मरूपेण भाति हृदि विषमनसा स्वचिन्वता मज्जता वा पवनचलनरोधात् आत्मनिष्ठो भवत्वम्। श्लोका नंबर 19. अहमयं कुतो भवति चिन्वतः ऐपतत्यहं निजविचारणम् अहमिनाशभाज्यहमहं तया स्फुरति हृत्स्वयं परमपूर्णसत्। Ramana Maharshi dealing with the topic of Jnana Yoga, how one has to inquire into the Atma Swarupam. He is giving that explanation or presenting the method of inquiry. Nija vicharanam. Vicharana means inquiry. One has to do inquiry into one's own nature. Nija means one's own nature. Atma Swarupam. Nija vicharanam. What is that? Kutaha ayam aham bhavati. Kutaha means from where this aham, I thought, ahankara, thought arise. Bhavati, kutaha bhavati. Arise from where or is born from where. Kutaha means from where. It arises. Of whom? Chinvataha. Chinvataha means suppose a person enters into that Atma for whom that inquiry is the sadhana. Chinvataha means a person who is doing inquiry. What inquiry he does? Where from this ahankara is arising the inquiry. Chinvataha means a sadhaka, inquirer. Sadhaka, a inquirer. What sadhana he is doing? He is asking, Kutaha aham, this I, ahankara, is coming. Kutaha bhavati, ayam aham, kutaha bhavati. Non angiradhu engirindu varudhu and a question. From where it is coming? That question he is doing. Once he start doing that inquiry, from where this ahankara arise? Non angira ahankaram. Where from it arise? Na. Once you start inquiry, patati aham. I means alas. What is the lot of this ahankara? It loses its nature. It disappears. patati. Disappears, patati, dissolves. This I thought, ahankara, dissolves. Patati means falls. Once you do Atma Vicharanam. This is called self-enquiry. The next shloka he says, what happens once that ahankara falls? How ahankara falls? It falls from the 80 feet or 90 feet from the second floor or third floor. Falls means not F-A-L-S-E. F-A-L-L-S, falls. And the falls, patati in a falls. Then you have to supply that falls is F-A-L-S-E. F-A-L-L-S is equal to, literal meaning of patati is F-A-L-L-S is equal to F-A-L-S-E. Pronunciation is same. Spelling, there is a difference. So, mithyatva nischayaha bhavati ityartha. Patati means what? Mithyatva nischayaha bhavati. This person recognizes that there is no ahankara. Which person? Who is doing? Atma vichara. Nija vicharanam and Atma vicharanam. Atma vicharanam is mana vicharanam. Mana vicharana means where this ahankara arising in the mind. That vritti, aham vritti arise in the mind. So you are inquiring in this ahamkara, that aham vritti, ahankara. So ahankara vichara is equal to Atma vichara. Once you do Atma vichara, ahankara disappears. This is called enquiry. Ahami nasha bhajin. Ahami is a napumsakalinga. Aham makarantaha napumsakalingaha aham shabdaha. Aham, ahamau, ahamaha. Then bhaji also jakarantaha napumsakalingaha saptami ekavachanam. Ahami also saptami ekavachanam. Bhaj, bhajo, bhajaha. Bhajin. Nasha bhajin. So, this vichara, Atma vichara, lead to discovery of Atma, the real I. The real I. In this 20th shloka, he says, Ahami nasha bhaji. Aham taya spurati. Aham taya spurati. Once you destroy this ahankara, destroy means within inverted commas. Once you falsify. How you falsify? You have to falsify it is anatma. There is no ahankara at all. Like this fruit salad. You know fruit salad, there is no fruit salad is not there. You take out one fruit from that. Banana you take out, grapes you take out, one fruit you separate. Where is salad? There is no salad substance separately. All fruits put together, salad. Generally, whenever we give a new name, we think there is a substance called salad. There is no salad called substance separately. Other than fruits, all fruits put together only salad. We have given new name to all fruits. Which fruit you can call? If you can call banana, grapes will get anger, no? If you say mango, grapes will be anger, no? They will. So each fruit want to claim, therefore don't fight all of you. So I am putting a new name, salad, fruit salad. Adu madri, the ahankara is a mixture of body-mind complex. OC, RC, RM. So Chidabhasa has got a new name called Ahankara. If you inquire into that Ahankara, it disappears. There is no substance called Ahankara. We have to understand. There is no substance called Ahankara at all. So Ahankara of Jnani, once you get this knowledge, Ahankara gone. Suppose. Mithyatva Nishayam. Manas, Chidabhasa, Ahankara, you have falsified. Then what will happen to this Jnani? Spurati Hrit Swayam. Aham Taya Spurati Hrit Swayam. This Hrit means, what is the exact meaning of Hrit? They give translation it as a heart. Hridayam, Hrit, heart. What is heart here? Chaitanyam. Here Hrit means Chaitanya. Why it is called Hrit? Pralaya kale samharati sarvam asmin iti Hrit. Pralaya kale samharati, that Chaitanyam, Atma Chaitanyam is that which resolves everything into itself. That is called Hrit. Pralaya Kale, Pralaya Kala means at the time of dissolution. Small laya is there every day. Sleep, deep sleep. That laya kale, samharati. So in deep sleep, Ahankara merge into Atma Swarupam. So in Pralaya Kala also it happens same thing. So Pralaya Kale, samharati means that really there is no samharana. There is no death. Samharana means what? Dissolution. They go into potential form. Samharati asmin. Atma Chaitanyam is that. Hrit means Atma Chaitanyam. Atma Chaitanyam is that which resolves everything into itself. That is called Hrit. Swayam, into itself. Swayam means itself. Aham taya, as I. It shines. Spurati. Spuridhat. Spurati means it shines. It shines like what? Shining means here understanding. Shines as real I. Spurati Hrit Swayam means Atma Chaitanyam shines itself. Layasthanam. So there is no real shining. Literally don't take shining, dissolving, like salt merging in the water. See, slowly it is merging. Not like that. There is no event other than understanding. There is no event happens. There is no shining separately happens. But you recognize that already shining. Shining means what? In whose presence things are known. That is called shining. In whose presence things are known. In the presence of Atma Chaitanyam, all the objects are known. That's why it is called shining. In whose presence experience take place. In whose presence everything is known. That is called as good as shining. That's why it is called shining. Parama Purna Sat. Here shining means what I said in the last class also. I said a specific experience never take place. Always remember. After getting jnana, once I get jnana, one type of experience I'll get, or specific experience. One day, manila muhurtam, వెరీ రైట్ ముహూర్తంలో, గుడ్ ఆస్పీషియస్ టైంలో ஞானம் வரும்னா. இப்போ ஞானம் எப்போ ஒரு முகூர்த்தம் பார்க்கணும்னா, ராகு காலம்லாம் வரக்கூடாது ஞானம். எந்த டைமுக்கு வரணும்? ஒரு நைஸ் டே, நைஸ் திதி, இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு ஒரு முகூர்த்தம் இருக்கான்னா. there is no muhurtam for that. So any experience required a muhurtam, different experience. Here we cannot call it as an even experience. Atma Anubhava is called Atma experience. I experience something means it comes under object. Clear? I experience something means it comes under object. Since Atma is aprameyam, it is not an object, I can never experience. Atma can never be experienced. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஆத்ம அனுபவம் வரவே வராது. எவ்வளோ டிசப்பாயின்ட்மெண்ட் பாருங்க. ఇప్పుడు ఆత్మ అనుభవమే వరాదా, ఆత్మ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సే వరాదా అన్న. సపోజ్ ఆత్మ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కమ్స్ టు యూ, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆత్మ, ఇట్ ఈస్ అనాత్మ అన్న. అనాత్మ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఆత్మ యూ కెనాట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. వై? ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్సర్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ ఆర్ హర్సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ఆత్మ. యూ కెనాట్ సే ఈవెన్ herself or himself. Experiencer itself Atma. Experiencer cannot be experienced. So therefore the subject experiencer cannot become an experienced object. So Atma anubhavam வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? வேண்டான்னு சொல்லணும். If I ask for Atma Anubhava, I have not understood the scriptural teaching. People are all waiting for Atma Anubhava. அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோ. சுவாமி, ஒரு நாளுக்கு எனக்கு அந்த ஆத்ம சாட்சாத்காரம் ஆயிடுமா? எப்போ ஆகும்னா, எப்போ ஆகுமா? இப்போ ஆயின்னு இருக்கு. ஆல்ரெடி யூ ஆர் நித்திய ஸ்வரூபா, நித்திய உபலப்தி. स नित्योपलब्धि स्वरूपोहम आत्मा. I am ever available Atmaswarupam, because of whom everything is experienced. How can I miss Atma Anubhava? Now tell me. In every experience, that every experience proves the presence of Atma. Aham, Atma, in every experience is the proof for my existence. It's very interesting. Okay, we have to turn the plate this way. When I can get Atma Anubhava, when I can experience Atma, instead of asking like that, you have to say to yourself, every experience is a proof for my presence or existence. I, the Atma, is ever available. I am evident in every experience. I am evident in every experience because experience is possible because of me, the Atma. Otherwise, no experience is possible. So, pratibodha viditam matam. In every experience, whom I am experiencing, మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సింగ్ అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. హూ ఈజ్ ఎవిడెంట్ అని சொல்லணும். హూ ఈజ్ ఎవిడెంట్? ఐ యామ్. ద కాన్షియస్నెస్ ఈజ్ ఎవిడెంట్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. సో హౌ కెన్ ఐ నో ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అన్న? వైల్ సీయింగ్ బల్బ్, ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ అన్న. వెన్ యు ఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సింగ్ ద లైట్, the prakasha, are you experiencing the electricity or not? Electricity is evident or not? When fan is moving, electricity evident or not? Similarly, in every action of this body mind complex, Chaitanyam is evident. Just as when you are seeing the bulb burning, electricity is evident. How do you know? Electricity is there. Because of that only light is burning. When fan is moving, electricity is evident. How do you know? Because of that only fan is moving. இது தெரியும் சுவாமினி, இது தெரியும். இன்னொரு விஷயம் கூட தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி ஆத்மா இஸ் எவிடென்ட். ஆத்மா இஸ் எவிடென்ட். How is it evident? Through this body mind. Body bulb, mind filament. Functioning. Bodham prati. In every cognition, in every knowledge is possible. Every knowledge is possible. Every cognition is possible because of Atma. So I need not separately work for Atma Anubhava. Every experience itself is that itself is a proof for I am Atma. In that this much easiest thing why people are missing because of wrong misconceptions, wrong ideas, misconceptions. You have to remove that only. If you remove that, it is available. Now, here, you are getting knowledge, cognition, understanding. All these presupposes what? Consciousness. Chaitanya. I am that consciousness. How do you say, I am that consciousness, Malli? Adi vere. In every experience, consciousness is evident. But then, next statement, I am that consciousness. How do you say? Because every knowledge you say, I am conscious of. I am conscious of. I know I am conscious of. I know that I am not conscious of also. This I know, I am conscious of. The cognition, the knowledge coming to me only. Therefore, I am consciousness. I am consciousness. I am cognizing. I am knowing. That's why knowing principle I am. Cognizing principle I am. There is nothing other than me, the consciousness. There is no second consciousness. I am only consciousness. That's why I am Atma Swarupam. What type of Atma Swarupam? Parama Purna Sat. Purna means infinite, complete, Purnam. Parama Purnam, supreme, infinite. Sat means existence, being. I am what? I am not human being. I am not a human being. I am not an animal. I am not an insect. I am not a tree. I am not a plant. I am not anything else, but I am being. I exist. I am. That I amness is called Parama Purna Sat. I am kappuram, whatever comes is Ahankara, Anatma. So, and Anatma, once you get Aham Purna Sat Jnanam, the Ahankara continues or not? Continues. If it won't continue, you cannot come to the next class. So, for Vyavahara, Ahankara has to continue. Suppose Jnana vandachina, ஒரே டோஸ் உடனே க்ளோஸ் மாதிரி உபதேச சாரம் கேட்டினதுக்கு அப்புறம் அகமினாஷபாத் ஜெகமஹந்தயா பரம பூர்ண சத் கான் என்ன விவகாரம் கான். Happily you can come, you can move, you can interact with the world. After knowing there is no sunrise, you see sunrise or not? After knowing there is no sunrise. Sunrise experience is there, there is no factually sunrise. அதே மாதிரி body mind complex anatma with ahankara does its interactions as a wife, as a husband, as a shishya, as a guru. If ahankara won't continue, guru also has to use ahankara only to teach Upanadesa Saram. Aham cannot talk, is it not? To speak Upadesha Saram in the class, what teacher is using? Ahankara or OC or RC? RC. Along with OC, of course. RC cannot be there without OC. But what is predominant here? RC. இப்போ இந்த அகங்காரமே இல்லைன்னா என்ன சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க முடியும்? அகங்காரம் இருந்தாதான் ஃபீமேல்னு தெரியும், மேல்னு தெரியும். இந்த உபதேச சார கிளாஸா, பகவத்கீதா கிளாஸா, இல்லை பிருகதாரண்யக உபனிஷத்து கிளாஸா, அது தெரியணும். அகங்காரம் இருந்தால் தான் தெரியும். இல்லைன்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா அகமா உட்கார்ந்தா உபனிஷத்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும், உபதேச சாரம் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும், பிருகதாரண்யம் சேம்னு. அப்போ என்ன, which book I have to bring? Thank God. Ahankara has to function, it will function, it will continue as long as body is there. Therefore, don't afraid of jnanam. Onvara jnanam vanda, I may forget my husband, I may forget my wife. இந்த மாதிரி கவலை எல்லாம் வேண்டாவே வேண்டாம். ஞானத்துக்கு ஞானம் இருக்கும், இதுக்கு இது தனித்தனி. ஓகே, ஏன்னா ஆர்டர் ஆஃப் ரியாலிட்டிஸ் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட். இது பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம், இது வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம். ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் த ட்ரீமர் cannot touch the waker. Dreamer met with and some heavy rain cyclone, fully drenched. அப்போ waker dress also will be drenched. அப்படியே இருக்கும், ட்ரையாக இருக்கும். ஏன்னா dreamer's wetness in the rain, that in dream cannot touch the effect the waker. You don't change your dress after waking up. Why? Nothing happened to you. Like that, after getting knowledge, this vyavahara continues. But enna prayojanam Swamini ivada padichi enna? This anatma, sarira manas anatma la irukra problems and all, you will not take to yourself. Adida mukti. Freedom from anatma problems. Anatma la gradations, limitations, doshams are there. Atrupti, dukkham, bandhakatvam, there are there to this body mind complex. They will not touch me, the OC. I am not going to be affected by them. Therefore, I can remain as Ananda Swarupam. When? After leaving the body. Even now, while interacting also, I can say what? Aham Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupaha Atma Asmi. இப்போ நிம்மதி தானே? பயப்படாதீங்க. ஞானம் சொன்னாலே சில பேருக்கு பயம், என்ன ஆயிடுமோ என்ன ஆகும்? ஒன்றும் ஆகாது, ஒன்றுமே ஆகாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகம். இதமஹம் பதாபிக்யமன்வஹம் அஹமிலீனகேப்யலய சத்தயாம் விக்ரஹேந்திரியா பிராணதீதமஹ நாஹமேக சத்தஜ்ஜடம் யசத் இதம் அஹம் பதாபிக்யம். Idam means this self, aham padabhikyam. This self means this consciousness. Consciousness or self you have to put in a capital letter. Idam, this consciousness. Ahampada bhikyam. Abhikyam. Ahampada abhikyam. Means, abhikya means this self is known by the name or termed as Ahampada. Idam, this Atma is termed as, named as, called as. The word Pada means word. What is that word? Aham. This Atma is called as Aham, Ahankara. Idam ahampada abhikyam. Real meaning or lakshartha of I, aham, is Atma. Lakshartha, vachyartha. When I say aham, there are two. Vachyartha is Jivatma. Lakshartha is Atma, not Paramatma. Vachyartha of individual is Jivatma. Vachyartha of Ishvara is Paramatma. So Lakshartha of Jivatma and Lakshartha of Paramatma is called Atma. For example, wave and ocean. Wave and ocean. Water, if you take water as Atma, wave is like Jivatma. Okay? Ocean is like Paramatma. Total level. Total level, water is called ocean. Individual level, water is called wave. Wave. So the wave and ocean. So wave content is also water. Ocean content is also water. So the wave and ocean are nothing but two names to that water. Why two names for that water? Na? Because water at small level with small upadhi as a wave, that is called vyashti. It is called wave. Ade water, when a big reservoir at ocean level, vast level, it is called ocean, samashti level. The wave below, there is water. Ocean is also water. So the water alone has got two names. Water alone has got wave name, ocean name. You remove this wave and ocean names, remove this nama, rupa, water remains. Similarly, this Jivatma and Paramatma. The Jiva, individual level, it is called Ahankara, the Jivatma. Paramatma is also a name. Atma at total level ke Paramatma, Ishvara. Atma at individual body, Jivatma. At individual level. So we are all like, there is a big reservoir, water. A small bucket of water is there. We are like bucket of waters. Total universe is like a reservoir water. Bucket of water is also water. Reservoir water is also water. No change. In water there is no change. But in container there is change. This is a small container. That is a big container. Paramatma is a big container. Vishwarupam. Virat. Vishwaha, individual. Virat is total. So small, vyashti, micro. That is macro. Micro, macro. Both are names given based on the container. You want container or content? Container la irukra content venuma, container venuma. Container yarukku venu? Container for what sake? டு கீப் த கண்டென்ட். உனக்கு டப்பா வேணுமா, டப்பாவில் இருக்கிற லட்டு வேணுமா அண்ணா? இல்லை லட்டு வேண்டாம், எனக்கு டப்பா வேணும்னா. ஹூ வில் ஆஸ்க் டப்பா? எனக்கு லட்டு தான் வேணும்னா. த கண்டென்ட் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். சிமிலர்லி இந்த பாடி டப்பாவில் இந்த கண்டென்ட், ஒரு சின்ன கண்டென்ட் இருக்கு, சின்ன பாடி, இண்டிவிஜுவல் பாடியில் கண்டென்ட் இஸ் ஆத்மா. கண்டெய்னர் பாடியில் கண்டென்ட் இஸ் ஆத்மா. த ஹோல் யூனிவர்ஸ் இஸ் எ பிக் கண்டெய்னர். There is also Atma. That huge universe is also container. For whom? For Paramatma. ஈஸ்வரனுக்கு கண்டெய்னர். அதுக்கு தான் அவருக்கு பேர் ஈஸ்வரா. அவர் ஆம்னிஷியன்ட், ஆம்னிபொட்டென்ட். நான் அல்பிஷியன்ட், அல்பிபொட்டென்ட். சர்வஜ்ஞா, அல்பஜ்ஞா. Container is big. This container is small. But content is big or small? Same. The bigness and smallness are because of container. Container is not permanent. The content is not permanent. Permanent. Laddu is not permanent. Okay, don't extend example. Atma is permanent. Sashvatam, Sanatanam. So we have to understand. Ishvara. Just as the wave and ocean, individual level is Jivatma, total level is, total I is Ishvara. Individual I is Jivatma. I myself am total I in Ishvara. So Ishvara and Jiva both are based on containers. Upadhi Bhedat. Sarvagnatvam, Alpatvam are Upadhi Bhedat. Natu Vastu Bhedaha. Vastu means content. There is no difference. Therefore, we are all carried away by what? Containers. Container lo lot of problems. Lot of problems. Content lo problem kadiyadu. Therefore, own up the content, not container. There is no satyatvam in container. That's what he says is the idam aham padabhikyam. This self, Atma, has got a name that is individual I, Ahankara. Who is this Ahankara? Whose name? Atma. That Aham, Atma Swarupam has got the name Ahankara. Because of what? Container. Individual container. The individual container. Aham pada abhikyam. Then ahami leenake sati. Here anu aham is there. Anvaham. Along with ahankara, anu aham anvaham. Bhikyam anvaham. Anvaham means along with ahankara. Anu means along with. Along with ahankara, anu aham, ahami leenake sati. When the total I merges along with ahankara, the total I means here everyone's ahankara. My daughter's ahankara, husband's ahankara, all ahankaras are real or false? When this is false, how they can be true? They are also false. Ahami leenake, a total I. This individual I along with total I merges. Ahami leenake. Where it merges? Individual I. Enna paakren? Wave merges into ocean. Ocean merges into water. How ocean can merge into water? Ocean merges into water means you remove the Nama Rupa. Ocean Nama Rupa, wave Nama Rupa, intellectually you remove. You see what? Water. Along with wave, you swallow the ocean name also to arrive at what? Water content. To get the knowledge of water. There is no big wave, small wave. Ocean is a total. All waves are born in this ocean. Ocean is nothing but water. Similarly, all individual ahankaras arise in total aham, total I. That's what we say. All are born from Ishvara. Ishvara is what? Total I. From total I Ishvara, who are all coming? Very good. Now you are really qualified students. Upadesas are students. See, total I. This is only in Upadesasara Vedanta class we say. In religious discourses and all, what they say? From Ishwaranlanda ellame vandadena. Ellame ennappa. All individual egos have come. Individual ahankara born from total ego. Total ahankara. Mahat tattvam. From total I, individual I's are born. In the Vedanta class, you should not talk this in other discourses. Religious discourses and all, if they say they will get up and go, or they will sleep off. Total I lerunda individual I has come anna, poitu vappanu solluva. Ange enna sollanum? From Ishvara, all beings, all things are born. Appa. Oh, and the Ishvara is none other than total I. Paramatma narinde ella Jivaratmas have come. Jivarasigal. Jivatmas have come. Now, this Paramatma Ishvara, total I, born out of what? Arise from where? Na Atma. Parama Atma. Ivaru Jiva Atma. And the Jivatma la Jiva, Paramatma la Parama. In the mathematics lo, ipudi pannum modu strike off, no? Daniki diniki saripoyindi anna. You strike off Parama, you strike off Jiva, who remain? And the Jiva Parama is because of container. And the container dabba, you remove intellectually. Okay, container dabba remove and don't destroy your body. Okay, don't emaciate your body. Happily recognize this container is Bhautikam. That is also Bhautikam. This is also Bhautikam. Ishvara and Jiva both are Nama Rupa. What is real? Asti bhati priyam. Avladha. Sollakudad. Atma asti. Bhati. Asti anna sat. Bhati anna chit. Priyam anna ananda. Sat chit ananda asti bhati priyam. Nama rupam. Belong to whom? Jagat. Nama Rupam Jagatana in the body-mind complex include body-mind complex. So, Asti Bhati Priyam Rupam Nama Chet Amsha Panchakam Adyatrayam Brahma Rupam. Brahma Rupam na Nude Rupam Oshi Rupam Jagad Rupam Tatodvayam. Other two are Anatma Jagat Rupam. That's what he says. Now you can understand. Aham anu ahami leenakena. Is the crucial word. Ishvara, from Ishvara, the Jagat has come into existence. Ishvara is total macro anatma. Ishvara is anatma. Jiva is anatma, Ishvara also anatma. What is Atma Satyamanna? Ishvaranla irukra Satchit Chaitanyam is Satyam. Jivanla irukra Atma Satchit Ananda is Satyam. So, in the Satchit Ananda of Ishvara, Jivanla irukra Satchit Ananda Ishvara are one and the same. Therefore, in the Ahankara, Ahami, that means total I, both have to merge into Atma. Then what about Atma also merge in? Alaya Sattaya. No layam for that Atma. This total I merges into Atma. Ocean merges into what? Water. Ocean name has to be removed. Ocean name has to dissolve. What remain? Water. Similarly, Ishvara name has to dissolve. What remain? Atma remain. Parama is called Ishvara. Ishvara is what? Brahman. Undressed. Ishvara is what? Brahman. Undressed Ishvara is Brahman. Dressed Brahman, Ishvara. Similarly, undressed Ahankara is what? Atma Aham. Dressed Aham, Ahankara. Dressed Aham, Ahankara. Undressed Ahankara is Aham, Atma. Aham Atma Brahma. Similarly, dressed Brahman, Maya Sahitam Brahma is Ishvara. Undressed Ishvara, Brahman. So, இப்போ எல்லாம் கவச்சம் போட்டுன்னு இருக்கோம். என்ன கவச்சம்? அனாத்மா கவச்சம். Body mind complex kavacham. A sheath. That's why you have to do what? Panchakosha Viveka, Shariratraya Viveka, Avasthatraya Viveka. In deep sleep, what Ahankara is there? Ahankara is there? It's not there. What happened to that Ahankara? Merged, dissolved. That's what he says. Alaya Sattaya. Alaya means that which has never merged, it always exists. The world, the objects, the emotions, the thoughts, anu aham, ahankara. Once the ahankara rises, what? The world rises. Emotions rise. All come into existence. Thoughts come into existence. Then all these concepts, everything come into existence. Once they merge, the concept of totality also comes. Once ahankara comes, ahankara merges, totality also go away. Because of this ahankara only, what comes? Body complex, mind complex, all relations, emotions, all the objects, the entire universe comes because of ahankara. Once ahankara dissolves, the entire universe also dissolves. What is the proof? Sleep. Ahankara dissolved. What do you know about universe? You don't know anything. In that sleep, who remains? Aham. There is no ahankara. Aham remains. How do you know aham remains there? Aham sukham asvapsam na kinchid avedesham. I do not know anything. I am. I was there happily. To experience that ananda, I don't require anything. Alaya. I am not dissolved. That aham is not dissolved. Indestructible. Layam illadadu aham. எப்போ இருக்கானா இல்லையா? தூக்கத்திலாம் அலயமா இருக்கானா இல்லையா? லயம் ஆகாமல் இருக்கானா இல்லையா? இருக்கு. அதனால தான் தெரியறது. டு எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஐ ரிக்வயர் அகங்காரா. டு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஐ டோன்ட் ரிக்வயர் அகங்காரா. டு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அகம் சுகம் அஸ்வாப்சம். என்ன அகங்காரம் இருந்தது அங்கே? அகங்காரம் இல்லாமலே கூட நான் சுகம் அஸ்வாப்சம், na kinchid avedisham. Early morning you wake up and say, I slept well, I don't know anything. Adeppa, enna theriyum. I slept well, I don't know anything. I don't know anything is experience. To experience, I don't know anything, ahankara is not required. But to express, I don't know anything, I slept well, to express, what do you require? Ahankara. But ahankara illamal ange nalla thungitam. Sukhama thungitada illaya? Sukhama irukku illaya? இருந்ததுனாலதான் you are able to express what? நல்லா தூங்கிட்டேன், நிம்மதியா தூங்கிட்டான். அப்பா நிம்மதி எப்படி தெரியறதுன்னு அதுதான். Therefore to experience ahankara is not required, to express ahankara is required. That's why early morning you express with ahankara. Without ahankara you anubhava only is there. Sukham anubhava is there, but you cannot express there. Therefore, alaya sattaya. Due to that indestructible, alaya means indestructible nature of itself. Sattaya, I exist. I exist as I am, without any destruction. Pure self is called aham, remain without ahankara. Now, next shloka he says, now you have understood this. Idam aham padam abhikyam. This idam, this self has given the name aham. So in the aham, what has given the name, that ahankara name, merges along with ahami. Total aham. Total aham means Ishvara's aham. It has to merge. So this ahankara merges, naturally total also will merge. For that sake you need not sleep every time. When you are waking up, when you are in the class, you are falsifying this ahankara. You are falsifying this ahankara. You remove that kara, that aham remains. Once aham remains, nama rupas all have gone. Ishvara nama rupa, total nama rupa, all emotions, all nama rupa gone. Who remain? Aham remain. Aham also merges. Negator can never be negated. Is it not? I negate all nama rupa. The negator to negate, there is another negator is required. Therefore, I cannot be negated by anything, that is Atma. I negate ahankara. Ahankara born nama, rupa, emotions I negate. I cannot be negated. Negator cannot be negatable. So next shloka he says beautifully, Vigraha Indriya Prana Dhi Tamaha. All Panchakoshas. Vigraha means Annamaya Kosha. Vigraha irka India. Vigraha Grahama Pudichundirka ipo. Gnana Varlana Graham. Gnana Vanda Vigraham. Okay. Vigraha Annamaya Kosha. Indriya means sense organs. Prana means Pranamaya Kosha. Dhi means Vijnanamaya Kosha. Tamaha means Anandamaya Kosha. Karana Shariram. Deha comes under Sthula Shariram. Indriya, Prana, Dhi comes under Sukshma Shariram. Tamaha comes under Karana Shariram. Anandamaya Kosha. All 5 koshas are 3 sharirams put together. What you have to put in? Dustbin. Vigrahendriya pranadhi tamaha na aham. I am not. Naham. Then who am I? Eka Sat. I am Ekatmam. I am one Atma, existent principle. Eka Sat. Tat Vigraha Indriya Pranadhitamaha Tat Jadam Asat. Tat Jadam Hyasat. Tat Jadam Hi Asat. என்னமோ பாடிண்டே இருக்கோம் இத்தனை நாளா. தஜ்ஜடம் ஹ்யசத்து தஜ்ஜடம் ஹ்யசத்து. தத் பஞ்சகோஷா சரீரத்ரயம் அவஸ்தாத்ரயம் எல்லாமே ஜடம், இனர்ட். நாட் ஓன்லி தட், அசத், அன்ரியல். I am the one existence, eka sat, one existence entity. Not the body, not the senses, not the vital air, not the intellect, not the ignorance. Tamahanna ஆனந்தமய கோஷா. ஆனந்தமய கோஷன்ல காரண சரீரம் என்ன இருக்கும்? அவித்யா, மாயா. அவித்யா, மாயா, அஜ்ஞானம் இருக்கும் அங்கே. அதுதான் தமஹா. So that I am not even ignorance. I am what? I am the illuminator of the ignorance. இல்லையோ? I am the illuminator of ignorance. I am the witnesser of ignorance. Therefore, then I, the consciousness principle, I am available in this Pancha Kosha. What Pancha Kosha? Asat, unreal. So, we have to understand first, introduce myself as so and so. First, what we do generally, we introduce ourselves so and so. Then second stage, this is called at the body level. Body is changing. Then second level, the body is made up of 5 elements. Bhautikatvam, Drishyatvam. So 5 factors you have to understand. I am not the body mind complex. 5 factors. I am Atma, which is free from those 5 factors. Number 1 is Bhautikatvam. Body mind complex is made up of 5 elements. Bhautikatvam. Bhautikatvat aham na panchakoshaha. Then Drishyatvat. It is seen by me, experienced by me. I am the experiencer is different from the experienced Panchakosha or Shariratrayam, or I am free from the 3 experiences. What? Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. Then Drishyatvam, Bhautikatvam, then Savikaratvam. Body mind complex changes. The whole world Nama Rupa change. Savikaratvam. It has got. Then Sagunatvam. There are gunas, properties. Then Agamapayitvam. This body mind complex names and forms are all coming and going. Agamapayitvam. They are all come under Anatma. Anatma has got these 5 factors. Whereas Atma, I am not born out of 5 elements. I am not come under any Drishya Prapancha. Drishyatvam varadu, Bhautikatvam varadu. No Savikaratvam also. I have no Vikara at all. I have no Sagunatvam. I am Nirgunaha. No Agamapayitvam. I am always available. Existent principle. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptis, Sputatara, Ya Samvit Vijrumbhate. I am ever existent consciousness principle. Body irunda express பண்ணுவே, body இல்லைன்னா தூங்குவேன். அவ்வளோதான். Okay. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.